Hi, welcome to ENS. This is the continuation of lesson plan. If we go to the lesson plan, here we have covered rest of the topics. Uh, Now we are going to add the contents. So if we go on the content link, which will be available for the students as their study materials or learning materials. So upload content. Now content title, uh, English notes, and this is assignment, study material, syllabus, or other download. So I will just say study materials. Available for all students, for all teachers. So I will say available for all students and for all teachers, available for all classes. And then you will not be able to select any class. If you unclick this, so I will say this is for uh, playgroup section A, all students. I will remove the all teachers, or teachers can see this as well. So upload date is this one, content file. If I click on this and if I go to select any file, YouTube URL, if I go to take any link, so that is the YouTube link. And I place the YouTube link, and I'm going to just copy this material and I will paste it here. So there's the uh, notes materials which I am going to upload here. So 7 close, record saved successfully, and now close it. So that's the study material type which I edit, and if I go to view it, you will be able to see this in the shape. The video URL you can watch from here. I think there is a problem with the YouTube link, and if you print the report, it will print the report in this shape. And if you want to download this, so that's the file I attached, download it there. Same here, if you go to upload another content, another material, so I will say definitions of English, and that is the syllabus for all students, playgroup, and that is for section B. Upload that is that content file. I will just upload any file, YouTube URL, then I need to check another way of link. Let's see if it works. And I will just so I need to add the material here, copy, and if I paste it here, so these are the materials, and 7 close, that's saved successfully. If you refresh it, so that's added the syllabus. If you click on this view, that will be here. You can print that out. And YouTube URL, there's a problem with the YouTube URL, so it's gone here. I think there is a problem with the YouTube URL link, which we will check. So that's how we are uploading the materials. If you want to add an assignment for the students, uh, English assignment, and that is assignment for all students, playgroup. Let's see if it's saving for both of the sections. Choose file, any file you can choose. YouTube URL link I'm not giving now at the moment. Control C and paste it, save and close. If you refresh it, so that's saved, but I didn't select any particular class sections, so that's why it's not showing it. It's going to be for both of the sections. If you view it, it will come like this. You can print the report. It will show the reports like this. You can print this out. And now if we check, so they are for the different types. So that's how we are. If you want to add, like, there is another option, other downloads, which you will be able to see in the reports. So that's how we are adding the contents, which will be always be available for the students to access online. Now if we go to see the reports, so we are going to do the content reports from here to see it. So these are the assignments which we already uploaded. If you click on the study materials, that is study materials which we uploaded. You can view it here for playgroup A, and that is the syllabus which we uploaded. If you view it for playgroup B, and same you can print from here and you can watch from here. Other downloads, there is nothing because we did not upload anything for this. So these are the reports for the contents. Thank you very much for watching this video.